Hello everyone, welcome to CyberDucky. Today we're going to discuss about configuring EIGRP and route policy routing for CCNA CCNP kind of a scenario. So I will show you guys about how to configure the EIGRP, then policy routing on a Cisco router, what are the components you need, and then we will see how the traffic is going with interface with policy applied and or the source with policy applied and source which is using the dynamic routing. That is a brief about that, but I'm gonna show you guys the needed skills to do this, and so stay by watching this video. So end of the video you should be able to configure by yourself EIGRP and routing policy. So if you're preparing for CCNA CCNP, this will be very helpful. Okay, let's start. So let me explain the lab. So in this side you have one network which is 192.168.1 series. So this is desktop 1, desktop 2. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add here EIGRP, like okay, if you don't know what is EIGRP is an inter gateway routing protocol. It's a dynamic routing. So what it does is that we have two route. Example, we want to do reach destination, we have two paths, and what EIGRP does is that it will have two route added. It will do some calculations and it will add the best route to the routing table based on its matrix. But I will not explain all this because it's a different video. I will do that, but for this video mainly just how to configure the EIGRP, what are the commands you need to run, then how to do the route policy, then we'll test the route policies. So what we're gonna test is we have two source or desktops, and we have one is here desktop 3. So we both, after we configuring the EIGRP, we will try to reach destination from these two and see how the traffic is going. It is going through route 3 to route 4 or router 2 to router 4. So once we decide that, then we will apply a policy. So one of the desktop, maybe this one, will use a different route than the dynamic route or the EIGRP route. So then we will see how it works. All right, let's start. So let me start configuring the routers. This is router R1. So let me go inside the interfaces. Okay, let me enable the interface, this one, so that we know which interface configured for which network. Yeah, okay, so I think it's clear. Yeah, let me go to route 1 first. Config mode we go, then interface gig 0/0, which is the local or LAN, which is 192.168.1 series. So I'll configure that one. IP address 192.168.1.254 is a router's IP, so it will be the gateway for those PCs. 255.255.0. then no shutdown, exit interface gig 0/2. IP address is 192.168.11.1. in this case, since it's a router is one, which is one IP.1, and no shutdown. Then exit from this and we enter interface gig 0/3. IP address 192.168.13.1.255.255.255.0. no shut. Exit. Now we're gonna configure the EIGRP. To configure EIGRP, we need to move into router EIGRP and its autonomous system. If you don't know what is, it's called AS number or autonomous system. So I will use 10. You can use anything. Then I put network I wanted behind this is 192.168.1.0. I think, yeah. Let me add no auto summary as well. No auto summary network 192.168.1.0. Then we use 13 and 11, yeah. Then exit config, then let's go to show run and we can see what we have configured. Show run configuration, yeah, so we have configured these the items. Interfaces we have configured, no shutdown. I think I never put on, okay, correct. So this interface we have configured. I'm gonna copy this until here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open Notepad. Route, so we can see all of them here. Connected route, oh, I think I missed one more thing. Conf t interface gig, which port is connecting 0, I think, yeah, /0/0 IP address 192.168.2.254. No shutdown. Yeah, it says up show IP route. Yes, so we have connected route 14 is connected, and it's also connected to 12. Sorry, 2 is this one connected, 14 connected, and 12 also should be connected. 12 also connected route. So this is we cleared, and if you want to see EIGRP information, you can go show IP EIGRP neighbors. You can see all of them. I have two neighbor, one is 12 and one is 4, 3 and 1, and yeah, so we done that. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna do some ping test and make sure that the connectivity is all good. So I minimize this. Let me open desktop 1, so this one. Let me go to terminal. Ping 192.168.2.1. yeah, boom, it's like comes so fast, so good. Okay, cancel and show. Sorry, trace path, I think trace path 192.168.2.1, yeah. Okay, and dash n. So dash n is what we'll do is it will not try to resolve the host name, so that's why you don't see anything. When I apply the dash n, it shows that all the hops, so it's going through, the route is going now is we are 3, so that's why we see this one, then the 4. So based on the EIGRP configuration, currently route for this PC, I mean it's going via this way. I mean, I don't have any pen to draw, so it's going this way, then it goes here, then it goes here, it goes here. So we test the same thing for this one, what you call the PC or desktop 2 terminal, ping 192.168.2.1 can ping, yes, then trace path 192.168.2.1-n not to resolve. Yeah, so interestingly it's both follow the same 13, then 14.4, then it goes to this one. So the traffic is now flowing this way. So what we're going to do is, for this particular device, I'm going to apply a routing policy to go through this one, this route 11.2, then 14, and go other way. Okay, for that I need to log in, or I need to open my router again, router 1. Then I need to config t IP access list extended, and I give a name called what? PBR1. Okay, I'm inside here, so I need to say permit protocol number, okay, IP 192.168.1.1, right? Yeah. Then I say source wildcard. No, my mistake. I think I need to put host 192.168.1.1, destination address, yeah, 192.168.2.1. I think I need to put host again, I forgot. 192.168.2.1. Can log also. Okay, we created this, what do you call, the ACL. Now we need to create an IP policy, IP map, route map, sorry. Dash map. Okay, I will put PBR1 dash route. Inside here we need to say what to do, right? So match Yeah, so when we create the policy map, right, so what I miss out is that I forgot to put the permit. So we're going to allow this, whatever is matches here. So enter, then we say match IP address in this access list, right? So let me copy this one. Is not what is the name of this we gave ACL? Okay, copy, paste, then we give a number also, maybe 10, then we say match sorry, wrong command. Set IP next hop 192.168.11.2. so currently its next hop is going through this route, which is going where 13. We are gonna make it to go to 11, so we need to do 11 and yep, done. Then exit. Then we need to go to gig interface 0/0. Then we need to do is IP policy route map. So we need to map the route which we created is this one. Okay, and so exit. Let me enable the debug so that it will give debug IP policy on. Okay, so let me see, this one is a desktop one, and I see a ping 192.168.2.1. okay, it's going, but something is happening. I think my ACL is wrong. I think, let me, okay, let's see why it's not working. So coming to destination is this one, policy match and send, but then source to policy, then it's saying, but I think there is an issue. Show run. I see IP host. I think it should be config T interface. Sorry, IP access less extended. What was the name I used? PBR-1, I think. Yeah, PBR-1. Correct. Permit ICMP. I think if you use any internet protocol should go, but I don't know why it's not coming. Let's try ICMP. ICMP. No, I think UDP. UDP. Because you're gonna use the trace route to identify, right? So I need UDP. Host 192.168.1.1, host 192.168.2.1. That's it. Let me show again. Show run configuration. Let's go quickly to the ACL what we created. Okay, we've added this too. Okay, the reason I think it doesn't work because we are using ICMP. So let's add the ICMP also into this. ICMP. No reply. Why? No reply. Interesting. But this one can go. Oh, I think I did a mistake. Let's troubleshoot this, because it should be go only one, but I don't know why not both is going. So what we try to do is, but we never add the source there, right? Show run. I think this is the issue. IP, I think this could be the reason why it's not working. Copy. Config T. No. Paste is okay, let's try now. No, okay. This is funny. Let me see why it's not working. I know what was the issue. So I did not on this interface, so that's why it was giving trouble. So it's not the ACL issue. The troubleshooting is I need to enable this config conf t interface gigabit /0/ do no shutdown. Okay, that's one, but why? Anyway, so let's try again. Yeah, it's working now. It's going through here. Then let's try the path. Yeah, it's now going through 11.2. Let's see why it doesn't work before. I don't understand why this is going through 11.2. It shouldn't be going through there. So let's troubleshoot. So let's show we have 3 systems, and one is IP address is 192.168.1. so we have applied a policy route. If I go here, we can see show run. So I have created this access list for to apply, and then I have added this route map, then I have applied on the interface. So basically, if there any traffic comes from here to this destination, it should be go through this route instead of taking the proper EIGRP route. So if I go IP show IP route, so if I see IP route, to the destination 192.168.2 is default. By default it goes to this one, but I am enforcing the source IP 192.168.1 to go through this gateway. So I have two systems. You can see here, let me close this. So one is okay, one is 3 IP.192.168.3 and other one is 192.1. so let's try the path. So when I try to go through this IP to reach this destination, it goes to 11.2, which if we go to our policy route, the gateway is added here. Then when I try to do the same thing from this one, it goes to 13.3, which is, if we remember, when we go to route, okay, the route is here, so it goes through this route. And you can see the logs. It says that source IP coming from 3 is going via normal forwarding, and source IP coming from 1 is going through policy match. Yeah, so I think now it's working. What I did is I just removed the ACL and re-added again, and it works. I'm not sure why initially it was not working, maybe some reason which is unknown. So for this video we are done. Thank you for your time. Appreciate your times and inputs. Please give your comments and support. Again, thank you for your time. I hope you guys learned something, and I'm looking forward to publish more videos. Thank you.